Hello. Today I'll be walking you through my Symbaloo on copyright. So as you can see, I have my various categories laid out for your use. The first category is music and copyright laws, with a couple of examples of actions that have been taken by celebrities, specifically Taylor Swift. My next category is the Creative Commons. I have basically how to get a license, what they are, what the difference is between Creative Commons and copyright. And then I have a page that will tell you exactly what copyright is. The next section I completed was copyright for drama. So laws and things that are going to pertain to plays, anything that's done in the theater, possibly even some choreography. My next category dealt with copyright in movies. Specifically, I have one on how movies can be used in an educational setting. Since as teachers and librarians, I know that we do that quite frequently. The next category I chose to complete was copyright in artists and how art was covered, whether it be an image or a sculpture or what have you. My next category was how to use an image, whether it's a photograph, sometimes even a painting is going to qualify here. And then I have fair use, how to legally use it, how much you can use it, and how. My next category covers copyright and literary works. So what is a literary work? Copyright, some terms, how long something is copyrighted, for the record, the life of the author, plus 70 years. The case could vary, but generally that's what it is. My last category was architecture and copyright. So I have, again, an example of how that plays in the real world, since we need to connect things to the real world for our students, but then the actual buildings themselves, as well as images and how those are controlled. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy learning about copyright.